Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aiman Ali, currently enrolled in HND Computing. After completing my IFI, I continued my journey at ICE for my higher nationals as well. Studying at ICE has truly been an amazing experience. The support from the faculty, the resources, and the practical hands-on training has helped me deepen my skills and knowledge as well. I learned about networking, cybersecurity, and programming, which really helped me start my career in IT. One of the biggest advantage of ICE is their incubation network. It is a fantastic resource for students who want to gain industry relevant skills and put them into practice. Alongside my IT skills, I also learned digital marketing, which has been a game changer in building my online presence and developing a strong portfolio. Being able to earn from these skills while still a student has been incredibly empowering. It's a great feeling to apply what I have learned in a practical way and see the results. ICE has prepared me not just academically but also professionally, giving me a head start in the industry.